Are you preparing to sit for the CPC exam? Well, stay tuned as I share 5 steps on how to pass the CPC exam successfully. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key. And on this channel, we provide you with information, tips, and strategies to become a certified marketable medical coder. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. We are working on our goal of 1,000 subscribers, and we would love for you to help us get there. The Certified Professional Coder, or CPC examination from the American Academy of Professional Coders, or AAPC. This exam tests your knowledge of physician coding and guidelines. The exam is 150 questions. You are allowed 5 hours and 40 minutes to complete the exam. It is an open book exam. You will use your I-10, CPT, and HCPCS manuals. To pass, you need a 70%. That means you can get 45 questions wrong and still get your certification. Now, that should not be your approach or your strategies, but I want you to be informed. Now let's get to the 5 steps to pass the CPC exam successfully. Step number 1, know the subject. Take a medical coding course. You will need to take a course to teach you the skill of medical coding or have several years of experience as a coder. Step 2, know your manuals. I recently posted a live video about knowing your manuals and all the sections, conventions, and subsections. I also provided tips on how to tab your manuals. You can click the link here and in the description box below to get more information. Step 3, practice, practice, practice. Not only should you practice coding scenarios, but you should practice them under time. You should allow yourself 2 minutes per question, and your goal should be to get an 85% correct. Step 4, learn multiple choice exam strategies, such as reading the question carefully and answering what they ask. Underline, highlight, and circle important terms in the question. Using the process of elimination, only changing your answers if you are absolutely sure the correct answer is incorrect. Don't second guess yourself. And use your time wisely. Pace yourself. There are 5 columns on the Scantron, and you should allow an hour to complete each column. Step 5, relax, trust, and believe. You have done the work. You have invested the time, energy, and resources into this process. You will get out what you put in. Trust it and be confident with yourself and your knowledge. Was this helpful for you? Question of the day. What steps can you share on passing a standardized exam? Let me know in the comments below. Some of the best information comes from you in the comments, so check them out. If you have found value in our video, like, subscribe, and share. Also, check out our other videos. There are great information and content in them as well. Send me your questions. If you have additional questions or concerns regarding medical coding, please send the information to me at cwarner@ohioprn.com. If you're interested in taking the first step in becoming a certified marketable medical coder, we are enrolling in our online medical coding course. Click the link here or in the description box for an informational video on our course. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key, providing you with information, tips, and strategies to become a certified marketable medical coder, reminding you to be safe, be kind, and don't wish for it, work for it. Until next time, take care.